Good day, my wonderful people. Welcome back to this channel again. Breaking news. I saw house arrest. Prophet Elijah releases prophecy on Peter Obi. News in details. Nigerians, most especially supporters of Peter Obi, have been asked to pray for the Labour Party presidential candidates. A Lagos-based cleric, Prophet David Elijah, said that Peter Obi would be placed under house arrest. Obi is heading to Supreme Court to seek justice because INEC averted the will of Nigerians. FCT Abuja, Pastor Elijah, the spiritual leader of the Glorious Mount of Possibility Church, has prophesied that Peter Obi would be arrested by authorities on trumped-up charges. Prophet Elijah, in a recent message via his official YouTube page, Possibility TV, asked Nigerians to pray for the presidential hopeful. He said, pray for Peter Obi. He said that God revealed to him that Peter Obi, the presidential candidate of the Labour Party in the February 23 general election, would be kept as a prisoner in his own house. His words: house arrest is an issue. You must pray for your brother. Pray for your candidate, Peter Obi. But because I don't know what is this house arrest all about, what is the offense, I don't know. My own is to pray for unity, pray for peace. But I am seeing things in the realm of the spirit. What I am seeing is what is called house arrest. I saw handcuffs in Peter Obi's hands, prophet claims. In an earlier report by legit.ng, Prophet Elijah Bamidele of the Christ Church of Prayer and Deliverance Ministry in Lagos said that he saw a vision of Peter Obi in handcuffs. Speaking to his congregation recently, Bamidele counseled Obi to be extremely careful because he might end up in the custody of Department of State Services, DSS, in Abuja. According to him, said, I saw it very clearly. It's not a guess. Obi laments about Nigeria. Legit.ng had also reported that Peter Obi's reaction to happenings in the country. The former governor of Anambra said that Nigeria is gradually becoming a lawless nation. The 62-year-old also said that Nigeria is gradually losing one of the biggest intelligent and tangible assets that make a nation strong, which is respect for the rule of law. The Labour Party chieftain bemoaned that Nigeria has continued to swing dangerously away from the boundaries of true democracy. Thank you, viewers, for listening to this news. This news came before the election took place. But my question is, I don't know. What is the reason behind Peter Obi's arrest? Please tell me. Someone should tell me. What has this man done? What has been his offense? This was what they did to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. He never committed any offense, but he was jailed. He was put in detention. Now, my question is, what has Peter Obi done? Why? Who is trying to arrest him? Who is trying to put him in jail? Can you imagine? Tinubu has won the case. So what is Peter? Why is Peter Obi being arrested? Why will they demand for his arrest. Now I know that Hausas are not Igbo's enemy. No, they are not. Before I used to think that they are Igbo's enemies. But now I know that the Yorubas are the real enemies of the Igbos. They are the betrayers. So tell me why they hate Peter Obi. Deep down in my heart, the only reason is that Obi is an Igbo man. That is just it. The only hatred is the love he gathered for himself. Yes, you can never stop the special love and success the Igbo got in the sight of God. That is just it. You cannot do anything about it. So what Peter Obi has done, or what he did, I don't know. That we warrant is being jailed or arrested or is being handcuffed. That is what I don't know. Nobody can arrest Peter Obi except the government wants war from the citizens, from the Labour parties, from the supporters, from his supporters. I will never say this pastor is lying or not, but this can never be possible. So viewers, what is your take on this? So your comment concerning this news will be very much important. You have heard the comments, my own opinion. Your own opinion will also be needed. Please don't hesitate to drop them below the comment box. Click on the subscription button as well as the bell button to be notified